Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. What y'all thinking? You like this look? Oh, you don't? What? I'm just saying this has been something that I've never done before in my entire life. If you guys are wondering why I am wearing a full face of makeup today, let me tell you why. So today I was working. I'm a server. I was serving this table and this grandma and this little boy came and this little boy was wearing makeup. Full face, kind of. I just thought he was so brave to do that. He'd go in public. All my coworkers were looking at him, kind of talking about him. Nobody was saying anything bad, but they were just like, whoa, like what? And I asked him, I said, I love your makeup. Like, I just kind of like said, I like your makeup. It looks good. And he said, thank you so much. And I just said, do you watch YouTube at all? And he said, yeah, I love James Charles and Jeffree Star. And he started naming all these other ones that I didn't really know. I was just thinking, like, he's being himself. Like, he's being true to himself because of these huge influencers. They showed him that it's okay to be who you are. And this little boy told me that everyone at school loves his makeup. He's got to be, you guys, 11, 12 years old. And he's telling me that all of his friends love his makeup and everyone's so supportive. And when I was in middle school, people weren't like that. People were rude. I remember when the boy came out, everybody was like, it was such a big deal. Everyone had to talk about it. Everyone had to say something about it. And I just felt like really proud that like he now being out, like it's like normal. Like boys can wear makeup too, you know? I don't wear makeup like this on a daily or at all, to be honest with you. I kind of just like wanted to make this video to inspire somebody that like you can do whatever you want to do. You can wear whatever you want to wear. You can be whoever you want to be because in this country you're free to do that. That's what America's all about. And I think we're kind of forgetting that lately. But this little boy inspired me to make this video because people that make videos like this and put it out there are helping so many people in this world. And it is honestly, it's so beautiful to me to be able to witness that, to be able to live in a time where being accepted and loved has never been so like strong in a world. I can't even word it. It was just such a beautiful thing. And like, I was like, I'm gonna go home and make a booty guru video and talk about how you can be whoever you want to be, you know? I don't know what else to say other than boys can wear makeup too. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this little fun video that I'm going to make for you because I don't wear makeup like this every day. I only do other people's makeup. Putting these eyelashes was hard enough and the lipstick, I just didn't even know what I was doing, and the nose contour and everything, I was just trying to be like James Charles, to be honest with you. And I think I did a pretty good job. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys again, and yeah, let's get right into it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly up.
All right, you guys. I feel fucking good. I'm not gonna lie. I don't wear this type of makeup, but like I feel like if Manny MUA and James Charles had they were brothers and there was like a middle child in that bunch, this is like what you would get for sure. I feel awesome. You guys know I never really do makeup on myself. I usually do it on other people. I don't really like the way I look with makeup on. Sorry, I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. But I don't wear makeup like this ever, if anything at all. I think this has been such a fun video, and I think the point of the video is it's inspiring, I think. By the way, if you guys are judging me on how I look, I don't put makeup on myself, and the inspiration honestly was just going with the flow. I was just trying to kind of carve my face a certain way with the contour and highlighting, and I don't know how to put eyelashes on, so they're not perfect, and I don't even know if the eyeliner even worked up there, and the eyeshadow was just hard. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share it, comment, tell your friends about it. Maybe it'll help motivate someone into being who they truly are, because that's what this world is all about. We need to be true to ourselves and not be ashamed to be proud of who we are. And I just think that everyone needs to understand that and see that even if you have a father who doesn't agree with it or a mother who shames you for it, you have to break free from that and show them who you are and make them fall in love with you. So thank you guys again for watching. I love you so much if you support this, and if you don't support this, then I hope one day you will understand that people are free to be who they want to be, and we just need to learn how to spread love all around. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.